Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background. This keeps the original safe. With the duplicate active, make a quick selection around the unwanted object. Don't obsess about edges. Choose the content-aware fill or healing brush tool next, because these tools analyze surrounding pixels to reconstruct texture and color. Once selected, apply the fill or a single healing stroke. You should see the object blend away. Make sure to toggle sample settings if results look off, and zoom in for a closer check. Now you refine. You'll alternate between clone stamp, healing brush, and the patch tool to match fine texture and lighting. Each tool solves different problems. Set clone stamp to 50–80% opacity so strokes build gradually and avoid harsh repetition. Use small brushes and sample pixels close to your target. This preserves grain and color continuity. Once done, smooth transitions with a low-opacity soft brush and the healing tool. This removes subtle seams. Make sure to toggle layer, blend modes, or reduce opacity. Finish by inspecting the repair at 100% and in your intended aspect ratio. Small errors hide at low zoom. Use a tiny Gaussian blur or the noise filter to reintroduce film grain if the patched area looks too smooth. If colors shift, sample nearby tones and paint on a new layer with low opacity set to color blend. This corrects hue without destroying texture. If things go wrong, use the duplicate layer and step back. Undo, lower brush opacity, and rebuild gradually. Patience yields seamless results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.